Morning energy. Mountain pose builds stability and awareness. Stand tall with feet grounded, spine long, and shoulders relaxed. Breathe slowly and evenly, feeling strength and calm balance in the body. Standing forward bend stretches the spine and the back of the legs, calming the mind and releasing tension. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to fold deeper, keeping the breath slow and steady. Downward facing dog energizes the whole body, stretching the spine, shoulders, and legs. Keep the breath deep and steady, feeling both strength and calm as you hold the posture. Cobra pose strengthens the back, opens the chest, and increases flexibility in the spine. Breathe slowly, lift the chest with ease, and feel energy and lightness flow through the body. Low lunge stretches the hips and legs, improving flexibility and balance. Breathe deeply, sink gently into the posture, and keep the chest open and shoulders relaxed. Warrior eye strengthens the legs, opens the chest, and builds focus. Keep your front knee bent, arms reaching overhead, and breathe deeply, feeling grounded and powerful. Warrior eye builds strength, stability, and focus. Root firmly through the feet, bend the front knee, and reach the arms upward. With steady breathing, keep the spine long, chest open, and feel grounded yet powerful in the pose. Warrior eye strengthens the legs and core while improving focus and stability. Keep your front knee bent, arms extended wide, and breathe deeply, feeling grounded, steady, and strong. Warrior eye builds strength, balance, and inner focus. Root firmly through both feet, bend the front knee, and extend the arms wide. With steady breathing, keep the chest open and gaze soft, feeling powerful yet calm in the posture. Extended side angle pose strengthens the legs, stretches the sides of the body, and opens the chest. Keep your front knee bent, reach the arm overhead, and breathe deeply, feeling both power and length in the posture. Extended side angle pose stretches the sides of the body, strengthens the legs, and opens the chest and shoulders. Keep your front knee bent, reach the arm overhead, and breathe slowly and deeply, feeling both strength and length throughout the body. Child's pose gently stretches the back and hips, bringing relaxation and calm to the body. Rest your forehead on the mat, extend the arms forward or alongside the body, and breathe slowly, releasing tension with every exhale. Energy spiral pose energizes the body while stretching the spine and opening the chest. Rotate gently through the torso, breathe deeply, and feel vitality and flow throughout your body. Energy spiral pose gently twists and stretches the spine, opens the chest, and awakens energy throughout the body. Breathe slowly and steadily, rotating with control, and feel vitality, focus, and calm flow with every movement. Silent strength pose builds inner focus, steadiness, and calm power. Stand tall or sit grounded, lengthen the spine, and breathe deeply, feeling strength and serenity flow through the body. Ray of Dawn pose opens the chest, stretches the spine, and energizes the body. Inhale fully, reach your arms upward, and breathe slowly, feeling lightness and vitality with each movement. Heart of Calm pose brings peace and relaxation to the body and mind. Sit or lie comfortably, open the chest, and breathe slowly and deeply, feeling calmness and gentle energy flow through you. Heart of Calm pose nurtures peace and inner stillness. Sit or lie comfortably, open the chest, relax the shoulders, and breathe slowly and deeply, feeling gentle energy and calmness flow through the body. Heart of Calm pose brings gentle peace and relaxation. Sit or lie comfortably, open your chest, and breathe slowly, feeling calm energy flow through your body.